These gadgets feel like cheat codes, they make everything easier, and number 6 is almost unfair. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart Rotating Waffle Maker. Designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Enjoy crispy, grilled flavor straight from your microwave with this microwave grill pan with lid. Perfect for browning meats, crisping sandwiches, and grilling vegetables. It delivers fast, even cooking without a stovetop. The multi-use griddle and crisper tray design makes meals quick, easy, and delicious. Convenient microwave-safe cookware for just $40. Enjoy quick and easy meals with this 4-set microwave ramen cooker bowl set. Each 33-ounce bowl lets you cook noodles in minutes right in the microwave. Perfect for college dorms, busy kitchens, or late-night snacks. With easy grip handles plus included spoons, chopsticks, and forks, it's a complete all-in-one noodle solution. Stylish fresh colors, easy cleanup, and 4 full sets for just $30. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Cook crispy, delicious meals with the powerful Vuesign 6.8 QD10 in one air fryer. Featuring 10 cooking functions, fast 400 degrees Fahrenheit heating, a visible cooking window, and an adjustable bottom heater for extra crispy results. This 1700W air fryer makes healthy cooking easy and convenient. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and large 6.8 QD capacity, it's perfect for family meals. All for just $54. Cook delicious meals anytime with the Cuisinart Griddler 5 in one indoor grill. Use it as a grill, panini press, sandwich maker, griddle, and more for endless cooking options. The dishwasher-safe non-stick plates make cleanup quick and easy, while the sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Versatile, convenient, and only $100. Upgrade your cooking game with the NewWave Combi Steam Oven, just $360. This 16-quart multi-cooker combines air fry, steam, sous vide, and more with 120 presets and precise 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control. With moisture control and a non-toxic stainless steel design, it delivers healthier, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Cook smarter with the Cosori Iconic 6.5 QT Smart Air Fryer. Featuring PFAS-free ceramic coating and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy, consistent results every time. With multiple functions, air fry, roast, bake, dry proof, and reheat, plus a dishwasher-safe basket, it makes healthy, hassle-free cooking easy. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized 17-piece cookware set. Featuring durable non-stick surfaces, this complete set includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and griddle for all your cooking needs. Built for even heating and easy cleanup, it's also dishwasher-safe for maximum convenience. Stylish, durable, and perfect for everyday cooking. All for $200. Enjoy hot meals anywhere with this 3.5L 2-layer electric lunchbox, just $36. With 90W fast heating and a 304 stainless steel detachable liner, it warms food quickly and safely. Featuring multi-voltage support for car, truck, home, or office, it's the perfect portable solution for fresh, warm meals on the go. Enjoy fresh, healthy popcorn in minutes with the original Sal Brie microwave popcorn popper. This collapsible silicone bowl uses hot air popping technology, so no oil is needed for delicious homemade popcorn. Easy to use, easy to store, and perfect for movie nights, it delivers fast, mess-free snacking in a fun turquoise design, all for just $17. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRIMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Make kitchen prep faster and easier with Gidley kitchen shears, your all-in-one cutting solution. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these ultra-sharp scissors handle everything from meat to herbs with ease. Plus, you get bonus seafood scissors and a lifetime replacement warranty for peace of mind. Durable, versatile, and just $22, and essential for every kitchen. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the Genecook Salad Chopper with Bowl. Featuring a large 8.5-cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Treat yourself anytime with the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. The fun and easy way to make single servings of ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and more right at home. Featuring 2 bowls and a compact aqua design, it's simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for quick homemade desserts. Enjoy delicious frozen treats for just $45. Cook and grill with less mess using this 2-in-1 oil brush bottle. Featuring a silicone brush head and durable borosilicate glass dispenser, it lets you brush and store oil in one handy tool. The leak-proof, no-drip design is perfect for BBQs, camping, and everyday cooking. Convenient, stylish, and only $14, a must-have kitchen gadget. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Blend smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks in seconds with the powerful Topsy Personal Smoothie Blender. Featuring a 1000W motor, easy twist-on start and stop control, and a convenient 24 ounces to-go cup, this compact blender is perfect for busy mornings and healthy lifestyles. Fast, portable, and easy to clean, all for just $46. Enjoy versatile cooking with the Starfrit The Rock dual-sided electric hot pot. This 3L dual-sided hot pot features durable rock, non-stick technology, adjustable temperature control, and powerful 1200W heating for quick, even cooking. Perfect for soups, noodles, hot pot nights, and more, all for an affordable $48. Create crispy, flavorful meals with the versatile Full-Will 6QD12-in-1 air fryer. Featuring 12 cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, plus a convenient viewing window and powerful 1700W heating up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This air fryer makes cooking fast and easy. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and family-size capacity, it's perfect for parties and everyday meals. All for just $70. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Dezen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, it's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Make perfect rice, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly with the Green Life Ceramic Non-Stick Rice Cooker. Featuring a removable PFAS-free ceramic non-stick pot, one-switch operation, and automatic keep warm function, this compact cooker delivers easy, mess-free meals every time. Perfect for small kitchens and quick cooking, all for just $40. Compact, convenient, and perfect for cozy meals, the Tiama 1QT. White mini ceramic stew cooker makes cooking simple and stress-free. With easy preset functions, a built-in timer, and a durable ceramic pot, it's ideal for soups, stews, oatmeal, and more. At just $49, this mini cooker delivers warm, delicious meals with minimal effort. Cook your favorite meals faster and easier with the versatile 2L electric steamer multifunctional cooker. Featuring a 2-liter ceramic glaze nonstick pot, dual power settings, quick heating, and overheat protection, it's perfect for steak, pasta, ramen, hot pot, and more. Compact, convenient, and easy to clean, all for just $58. Upgrade your kitchen with this 24-inch induction cooktop. Featuring 4 powerful burners, Bridge SYNC for larger cookware, and 3 preset modes with booster for rapid heating. The sleek glass surface includes timer, pause, and child lock for safe, precise cooking, modern performance made effortless. Cook big, delicious meals with ease using the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. Featuring a non-stick PFOA-free ceramic coating, powerful 1600W heating, built-in timer, and 3 adjustable power settings, it's perfect for steak, eggs, ramen, soups, and more. Fast, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $76. Cook delicious family meals with the versatile Imusa 6.9 QT Bistro Serra ceramic Caldero Dutch oven. Featuring durable aluminum construction, a non-stick ceramic interior, and a clear glass lid, this 6.9-quart pot is perfect for rice, stews, soups, and traditional recipes. Stylish, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday cooking. All for just $25. Make every meal faster and easier with the comfy 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This 6-quart powerhouse combines a pressure cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, slow cooker, sauté pan, and steamer all in one compact design. With a non-stick pot and 12 smart cooking functions, it's the perfect kitchen upgrade for delicious meals at just $82. Enjoy delicious barbecue-style meals at home with the 3-in-1 electric hot dog roller grill. This portable cooker features a non-stick smokeless grill, removable barbecue griddle plate, and stainless steel roller system that fits up to 9 sausages at once. Perfect for family parties, quick snacks, and indoor grilling fun, all for just $50. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosian 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup, all for just $50. Power up your kitchen with the versatile Techwood 7.5-quart 2-in-1 electric skillet multi-cooker. Featuring a spacious 7.5-quart capacity, 5 adjustable heat settings, and a removable non-stick skillet pan and cooking pot, it's perfect for frying, simmering, steaming, and more. With powerful 1500W heating and dishwasher-safe parts, cooking and cleanup are effortless, all for just $87. Cook delicious meals in minutes with the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus, a versatile indoor electric grill perfect for pizzas, quesadillas, tortillas, nachos, pancakes, and more. Featuring a spacious 12-inch non-stick cooking surface for fast heating and easy cleanup, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick family meals and snacks. Enjoy tasty homemade favorites for just $43. Enjoy endless cooking possibilities with the versatile 2-in-1 hot pot and griddle cooker. Perfect for frying, grilling, boiling, and roasting, this all-in-one appliance features a durable die-cast aluminum body, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and powerful 1200W fast heating for delicious meals with less mess. Designed with safe insulated operation, a tempered glass lid, and compact plug-and-play convenience, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen, all for just $254. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSDBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings. All for just $39. Bring restaurant-quality cooking home with the Chef Power 5 Cutie Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Perfect for bread baking, braising, roasting, soups, and stews, this durable cast iron pot delivers even heat and long-lasting performance. Featuring a beautiful gradient red finish and oven-safe design, it's a stylish kitchen essential. All for just $55. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7.